Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download 22bet app in your phone. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, make sure you are connected to a strong Wi-Fi or mobile data. Once you are connected to a Wi-Fi, go to your App Store or Play Store. Once you open it, make sure you log into your account. Then tap on the search bar. Once you're on the search bar, type in 22bet. Once you type it in from the search result, tap on the 22bet icon. And in case if you don't find it here, then it is not available in your country. If that's the case, then you'll have to go to your browser, then on the search bar, type in 22bet app. Once you type it in, you'll get these kind of results. Now from these results, tap on the first link. Then it will take you to this web page. On this web page, all you have to do is tap on the first download link for iOS and the second link for Android. Once you tap on the link, it will take you to the page where you can download the app. And once the app is installed, you can use the app. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks.